morning, welcome back. Today we are making, what are we making today? We're making some snacks, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna be making chocolate Halloween spiders. So what do we need for these snacks?
So you'll need some chocolate, some broken pretzels, and some M&Ms or a chocolate chip.
Okay, so we need
Vanilla chocolate.
vanilla chocolate chips. Okay, so we have pretzels. Okay, you can need any size. I don't recommend mini pretzels because you're gonna have to break them to smaller pieces like these to make spider legs, or you can use like simple sticks, small sticks, thin sticks work best. Now we are gonna be using those cookies. Yum 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 yummy chocolate. Yes. Okay, Reese's peanut butter work just fine. Just make sure anything will do it as long as they're soft because you're gonna be putting sticks inside. So if they're too hard, you're not gonna be able to put anything in there, or they can break. Okay, so let's grab one, guys. Oh, you already have them! Yeah, I'm behind. Okay, so I have one here. I'm gonna put them right next to Lightning McQueen. Chocolate chips are optional. And do you wanna show how you guys broke them to make spiders' legs?
So you have to break them like that.
So they're gonna be kind of curvy, right?
Yeah.
Perfect. All right, excellent. We need, how many legs do we need? Each spider has how many legs?
8.
8, 4 on each side. So make sure you can have 8 legs, right? Grab them. Trying to find something equal. Let me get them. Oh, Moxie, I love those. They're gonna look like Krabby spiders. 1, 2, 3, and anything will work. Like when you select cookies, you can have round donuts. You can have an oval shape.
What I made?
What are you making, Moxie?
It will be a pie with spider.
1, 2, that will work.
And they like have those bumps under those feet.
4.
And
so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to put them on side. Don't put them around, just put them more inside. I mean, if you have a picture of a spider, that will work just fine because you can see how it looks like. Or if you wanna create your own scary creature, that will work too. Be creative as long as it's a scary meal. Okay, so one right here. Oh, Maxie, spider is melting. Woohoo! How did it happen, Max? Oh, it can be messy too. That's okay.
Mine is also getting messy.
Well, you can put them in the freezer afterwards, right? Not a freezer, a fridge, to cool them down a little. See, napkins. We need napkins. Will be helpful there.
Mine is melting.
Okay.
One more.
We'll finish it up. Oh, kind of breaks a little. That's fine.
Mommy, I need one more. And now you can have some white chocolate chips. And you can make some more.
Now, chocolate chips are optional because I thought of using them for eyes, okay? But this one is actually melting, so I don't know if we need it. I'm gonna stick them like right here somehow. It would be nice to have some eyes. Mine is ready.
Mine is ready, but it's falling out.
It is a little breaking. Okay, mine is too, a little. That's fine. I'm gonna put it on a plate and I'm gonna make another one.
Mommy, look.
Excellent. We don't put it right next to it.
Mommy, but mine is melting.
You know what we're gonna do? If yours is melting, we can finish it up as much as we can, and then we're gonna put it in a fridge.
And I think another one.
Yes, you can make another one.
Mommy, look at that spider. Looks like a
Maxie, wow, look at this. That looks like a sci-fi creature, actually.
I'm going to make Max, I have an idea. Why don't you make a spider jam? Mommy, I am building a Halloween Mommy, I'm not making a spider, I'm making a boat.
Yes, you can eat this one. See, it's a snack and it's an art at the same time. Look at this. It is kind of cute. I like it. One eye, boo. Second eye, boo. I like those eyes are sticking out. What do you guys think? Do you like them?
Yes. Mommy.
I'm sure you're gonna like eating them. Oh, mine is stuck to the table. Oh no. Let's put it right here. We have a crawling creature family.
It's melting now.
All right, Max, let me see yours. Oh, wow, look at this. To the rescue, Maxie's spider got stuck. See what happens? It can happen. That's okay. We have to put it together.
And sometimes
and put it on the table.
And sometimes there can be like a little accident with these spiders because they can stick.
Okay, so now what we're gonna do with Max is we have to put it together. Maybe we can put some chocolate on it. Put it in the fridge. Happy Halloween! Thank you guys for watching. Have fun.
Goodbye. And unless you clean up, then you will have more play.
Cleaning up can be fun this time because we can leave the table.